Our names are Sarah and Trent Smith, and we're building the Addison P. The best part of our experience was seeing all the model homes, and it was really thorough and knowing what was available and all the different choices, but actually seeing them in home, how they're supposed to be instead of just, on a wall somewhere. And so we really enjoyed being able to see all the model homes. We revisited them several times to get a really good idea of what we wanted in our own home. If somebody was looking at Shaw Homes to build their home, I would be happy to tell them to go for it, to take their time looking through all the model homes, and that I like that they allow that because you can really see all the options and pick out what